Hey everybody, I'm back again, and I think this is episode number 8 of the Singer 500 restoration series. And what I'm doing here in this video is, right off the bat, I am moving the hook, all the hook stuff. There's the hook mesh gear, there's that little screw, and there's the cushioning spring. There's that little set screw, I don't want to lose that. And there's the foot, and the positioning pin, and the dog, and then the dog screws. So that's going to drain there, and I'll let them drain for a few minutes. And that is the stuff for, well, there, I'll put it like that so you can see it. So that's what I'm going to get started on. Is first I'm going to do the hook and all its pieces and parts. If I go ahead and put the needle bar and the presser bar in right now, then it just makes it really restricted as far as working on the hook and all those parts down there. So that's my idea there. That's my strategy there. So anyway, that's the start of it. I'm going to get this stuff dried off and get it so that we can get it in there. This is really cool. I haven't done this for a while. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If it's a review for you, that's wonderful. And if it's new for you, well, even better. And thanks for being new here. Appreciate it. Got about 355 videos. You might be able to find some other stuff you like too. This is a quick part of the process. Just hand wiping them off. And these are going to have to be wiped again because they're still pretty oily. You know, I really soaked them. I really gave them a good bath. You know, they were drowned in oil. But I mean, it's a long time coming. It's been what, 70, 80 years or so, you know, 60, 70 years, I don't know. Long time. I'll soak up some extra oil off of here. Where am I going? I want to do the hook. So I still need to find the dog screw. So you know what? I'm going to take one out of the 411. The first thing I want to do is I want to maneuver this into position so that this goes in the appropriate way. It was fairly simple to maneuver it in, but the easiest way to do it is just take that and point it down and do it like that. And there you see that we've got both pins and they're ready to go down. That one goes down first. And I'm just going to put a little more oil in these two places. So we'll have some leakage down below, and I'll do the throat plate bracket stuff there too. Fair enough. Get what I can before I close it up. And we see the flat spot on the hook shaft there. That stuff is in there now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise up the machine so that we can have a look underneath. So what we see here is we see the hook shaft, hook driving shaft, hook driving arm, and there is its mesh mark. So that means I have to put a gear right in between that little red mark there. And how I'm going to do that, I already have the screw in there, and we see that there's a flat spot right there. So I want to turn that flat spot so that it's equivalent to there. And then I want to take my set screw, put it down on the flat spot, and you can see that we're meshed there. Can you see that, my friends? And I'm pushing the shaft in as much as I can, and now I'm going to snug it up. Oh, we're still good on the mesh, are we? But now I lost a bit on my, there. I lost a bit on my set screw having that lined up. The flat spot had turned. So, how are we doing here? We're good on the mesh, and I want to make sure that I'm really just See the flat spot rotating? See? And that's my focus. And there, now I'm good on the flat spot. So our mesh should be good. It is. The mesh is fine. Okay. That is going around EXCELENTE. Everything is feeling good in there. So that's that. I want to put in the cushioning spring, and then I want to put the dogs on. So the cushioning spring, here we are, one of the last parts is to put the cushioning spring in. So we aim down to get it under, seat under that spring, just like that. Did I get it? No, not yet. There we are there. There, that's seated correctly right there like that. And that's going around nice and smooth. Right on. I think I got it to seat with my fingers, I did. Okay, that one feels like it's close to home. We'll get this one in. Everything's a little bit slightly loose there. There, that feels snug. That's snug, good enough for now. I want you guys to have fun. You guys and gals have fun. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you back here soon. Adios, amigos.